Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Nokia C32. So to do this, you have to open the phone dialer at the first, then go for the contacts on the right bottom corner. Let's pick, for example, the first one. Next, click on the three dots in the right upper corner and click to set the ringtone. As you can see right here, you can find list of all default ringtones. If you want to set your own custom ringtone, just click to add the ringtone and you will be moved, as you can see, to the Google Drive. And when you click on these three lines in the left upper corner, you can basically pick your Nokia C32, and right now you will be able to find your custom sound. So if you put it to the music folder, just click right here, then select, and it will appear on the sound list. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.